for their very, very magnanimous consideration. To also thank Mr. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for his complete benevolence to have given me this opportunity, this rare opportunity to serve the nation. I cannot thank Mr. President enough, and I just want to pledge that I will not disappoint Mr. President. I will not disappoint the Senate. I promise I will not. Now, one lesson we take away from this, which I have learned, and I want to make a profound statement, is that in the bid and passion for both the executive and the legislature to bring dividends of democracy to Nigerians and to ensure that Nigerians have, the benefits of government programs, perhaps some compromises are needed at all times, rather than the strict adherence to legality. And I think that is exactly the lesson I take away from this. That compromises are needed here and there for the purpose, I repeat, for the purpose of bringing succor to Nigerians. Because when people hold, to their sides because of legality at times, the Nigerians are the ones who suffer for it. And I think that is the spirit going forward. I want to thank the Senate. I want to thank the Senate President, thank all the distinguished senators for their magnanimity on this occasion.
In saying this, because I recall that at that time in question, even the then President Muhammadu Buhari backed you on that issue, and he told you to go ahead and do the work the way you thought fit to do it. Do you regret standing for the masses at that time? Because your interest was for every Nigerian that was qualified to benefit from that scheme.
Well, I just also realized that the senators also had passion for the masses. It was only a different approach that they adopted, but they also had passion. They also had patriotism flowing in them to also serve. And we're coming from, we both all had the same purpose to serve the masses. It was only, like I said, a complete misunderstanding, and we understood ourselves later, and the program went on successfully. Like I said, I repeat again, outside here, the program was 97% success. Was it 97% success? We paid almost everybody, not 20,000, 60,000, let me remind everybody. And the records are there. I want to say this publicly today now, that anybody can approach the National Director of Employment under the Freedom of Information Act, and you will see every single payment that was made. I needed to make that point, because Nigerians are always alarmed, when they hear big figures, but they should go and see that the central bank paid directly to all the beneficiaries, directly from the vaults of the central bank. Thank you.
Thank you very much.